Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Mason Augustine. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. And if you have been watching my videos and have not yet subscribed, please kindly subscribe for us to grow the mathematics community. In this lesson, we are going to look at power of a product rule. That is laws of exponents. Now let's explore it. Would this be the fourth law of exponents? Whatever it will be. Now let's go on. Now, from the power of a power rule, if I have a exponent n to the power m, this will give us a exponent n times m. Check the description for this basic rule of algebra. Now, if I have, let's say, a exponent 5 times b exponent 3 times a exponent 5 times b exponent 3 times a exponent 5 times b exponent 3 times a exponent 5 times b exponent 3. Then this implies that I have a exponent 5 times b exponent 3 or exponent 4, which means that a exponent 5 b exponent 3 is multiplying itself 4 times. A exponent 5, b exponent 3 is multiplying itself 5 times. So this gives a exponent 5, b exponent 3 times a exponent 5, b exponent 3 times a exponent 5, b exponent 3 times a exponent 5, b exponent 3. Now, from the first law of indices, now let's see something that is a products rule. This one can be expanded as a exponent 5 times a exponent 5 times a exponent 5 times a exponent 5. That is, we have a exponent 5 multiplying itself 4 times b exponent 3 times b exponent 3 times b exponent 3 times b exponent 3. You can expand this one this way. Very, very simple as that. Since we have multiplication here, look at this. This one is a exponent 5 times b exponent 3 times a exponent 5 times b exponent 3 times a exponent 5 times b exponent 3 times a exponent 5 times b exponent 3. So I've grouped all the a exponent 5 together. That is in terms of multiplication. We've said that multiplication is commutative. It is associative. So if you group all the a's together, we can multiply. If you group all the b's together too, we can multiply. So here we have a exponent 5 multiplying itself 5 times. That is a exponent 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. That is from the product rule of exponents. Can add all the 5s together. Times b exponent 3 multiplying itself 4 times. So I have b exponent 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. And that will give me a exponent 5 times 4, b exponent 3 times 4. Wow. Now let's see. This will give us a exponent 20 times b exponent 12. So this equals a exponent 5 b exponent 3 times a exponent 5 b exponent 3 times a exponent 5 b exponent 3 times a exponent 5 b exponent 3. But we've also seen that this equals that. Yes. So this implies that a exponent 5, b exponent 3, or exponent 4 is equal to a exponent 5 times 4 times b exponent 3 times 4. That is what we have here. And it will be a exponent 5, b exponent 3, or exponent 4 equal to a exponent 20 times b exponent 12. And this gives us the power of a product rule. Power of a product rule. So you see that this one is multiplying this. So the 5 will multiply the exponent and the 3 will multiply the exponent. Now let us exploit using this property. So now using this property, if I have, let's say, 49 a to the power 6, and this can be written as 7 squared a cubed times 2, and this is the same as 7 times a to the power 3 all squared, right? Because here 7 will take the squared and a cube will also take the square. Now let's look at this. If I have 6 power 5, this is the same as 2 times 3 power 5, and this will give me 2 power 5 times 3 power 5. Yes, that is very, very simple as that. And let's take this one. If I have 9 times 10 exponent negative 12. Wow. All to the power, let's see, half. This is the same as 9 to the power half times 10 exponent negative 12 times half. And this is 3 squared times half times 10 exponent negative 12 times half is negative 6. So this will give me 3 times 10 exponent negative 6. That is using the power of a product rule, or the power of a product property. Very, very simple as that. Now let's take another one. If I have 3a cubed y squared all to the power 5, this will give me 3 exponent 5, a exponent 3 times 5, 15, y exponent 2 times 5, that is y exponent 10, and we take 3 exponent 5, that is 243, a to the power 15, y to the power 10. Very, very simple as that. You can also take 243, a exponent 15, y exponent 10, and then write it as 3 exponent 5, a exponent 3 times 5, y exponent 5 times 2. And this will give us 3 exponent a to the power 3, y to the power 2. Then we factorize the 5 out. So So whether we are moving this way or we have this and we are sending it back here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and leave your comments. Bye bye.